What's this thing running for horsepower? 2,000? Size block is it?
472 cubic inch Keith Black.
Nice.
Fucking, I seen that leak another day there.
Yeah, remember?
I thought it was coming out of the head gasket.
No, I seen it.
Leaks more alcohol there than it does out of the blower.
Oh, yeah. What about a gallon? Oh, you're still low.
It's fatter today. Blowing alcohol.
On this side, the other side.
It's leaking, we're leaving it.
It's blowing alcohol.
Oh, we got that wheel!
Holy shit! The fuck?
God damn! Now why don't you want to be on the end of the
Got that clear.
I got wheeled right in the chest.
I got hit in the head with a rock earlier.
Still wasn't quite there, but what is it? What are you painting on it? 5 minutes. I didn't know they were gonna get at it.
I knew I should have put that fucking 85 more in that high
That was
speed.
right up there.
Dude, that fucking tire sat this high
I
out
didn't know-
off the track
I
all the way
didn't know-
down.
Fucking didn't even get a picture of that one either.
I'm walking home. I don't know if we got the time.
I think so. That better not. I think you beat it too.
I hope we beat it that time. Walk on the front. Move it around. Right up the
Yeah,
back.
and then we're around the side there.
Where did it fade?
Right. When you first nailed it,
Then I let out because I seen it fade. Then I got it back
as
into it.
soon as it pulled up,
It's a little fat at the bottom, I think.